Springs man now charged with making terroristic threats after he allegedly posted messages on Facebook threatening to kill police officers. Police say this is one of the messages that Joshua James Bolero posted threatening to harm any officers who tried to speak to him. The message was reportedly in response to a video that surfaced of a man being beaten by police in Mesa, Arizona. A warrant was issued for Bolero's arrest, and Powder Springs police say he came to the department voluntarily this afternoon.